Hi folks, this is Nitin Goswami from NG Networks. And you know I'm in front of you, so there must be some opportunity. And yes, it is an opportunity. Are you planning to change your career or want to switch into the IT domain? If yes, that's a wonderful program. And you must be thinking about the CCNA. Yes. So guys, here I'm offering you the CCNA along with the Python at no cost. Yes. If you chosen a CCNA program with the NG Networks, you will get a free of cost the Python training. You must be thinking why. You know guys, the automation and artificial intelligence has impacted the entire IT industry, where scripting language plays a vital role and an important role as well. So scripting, if I talk about the scripting, so Python is only top. So that's why I'm offering the CCNA within a Python, so you will get a grand knowledge about the market. So you will get a proper profile. I'm not ended yet. We have an additional discount for the early joinees and the references. So don't waste your time. Click on the link below, register yourself and start your program as soon as possible. Thank you very much.